Yeah, I know. Why did it say
wonders of Xandar. I am WorldMind, the Xandarian supercomputer. My purpose is to preserve the knowledge and history of Xandar. Your scholar, Peter Quill, has been teaching me about your world. He has suggested that if I want to start my journey of understanding the complex and intricate Terran mind, I should look no further than the sage words of a great Terran classic, hooked on a feeling. I still do not fully comprehend its meaning, but Peter assured me that its words are deep and that Terrans enjoy
music that moves your soul.
Understanding you Terrans is just one of the reasons we are here today at Epcot. We hope we may learn from each other and dedicate ourselves to promoting peace through understanding. Xandarians explore the universe in order to gain knowledge about the many worlds and the beings who live there. One day we look forward to hosting you when you visit the Andromeda Galaxy, home to our planet Xandar. Your Milky Way galaxy is home to 100 to 400 billion stars. Our Andromeda Galaxy has more than 1 billion. But because our galaxy is
Our biomes feature rare species of flora across the galaxy, such as Hydnora and Lithops from the Sovereign planet. One day, we'd love to feature some specimens from your planet Terra. Our advanced building materials allow Xandar to boast some of the most remarkable structures in the universe, creating an impressive urban skyline. Over the course of our year, Xandar experiences periods of total sunlight, shifting
Through the years, new citizens brought with them unique materials and building techniques that accelerated the diversification.
It's not often one gets to interview the most dangerous woman in the galaxy. Welcome, Gamora. Wait, who called me that? Peter Quill. You mean Star-Lord? Oh, I was told he hates that name. Oh, yeah, he does. He really hates it. So how did you Guardians end up teaming up with the Ravagers? They normally all work for themselves. Oh, we liked him. And was that
Room for everyone. Thank you.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it. I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience it for yourself. What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the Cosmic Generator is gone.
Cheerio, Monarch. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, number 4?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
What didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I have been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not creepy at all.
His species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Long time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, whoa, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, Nova Dude, you know according to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I've been broken the shuttles to follow him through the jump point.
Wait, what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
What?
They're escaping. Where's the ship?
The odds are impossible,
Yeah.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. You got this.
We're all toast.
First it was Kid, now there's toast. This planet's making me so hungry.
Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow with the plane if we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. This planet of Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? It's the only one. I mean, I'm just saying. You need to tell me what I want. Are you Terrans still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our substances and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed your brief visit with us. Over and out.
this unusually large man. And you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it. have we done?
I think we're going back.
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way.
We got the generator.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Velveteen, link your stop glasses. We have him contained, but not long.
My world would have been perfect.
Nobody's perfect.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now where's that cake toast?